Hey guys, I'm back this time with a product review. I was in Sportsman's Warehouse doing a little shopping and I saw these next to the Mountain House. I've never seen these before and they looked interesting, so I picked up a few. We got Chef's 5-minute meals. No added preservatives. They're self-contained. Everything you need in this box. So they're sort of like a civilian MRE, I'm guessing. I'll taste these so you don't have to. I'm not sure if they're going to be good or not. Picked up 3 flavors that sounded good to me. We got spaghetti with meatballs and sauce, beef stew, and today we're going to try beef chili with beans. The nutritional facts are pretty good. They're a little low on calories, only 250 calories for this container. Surprisingly, the sodium's not too bad. It's only 650. But, something like this might be good for, shit hits the fan, power grid down, just camping, or just something, an emergency food to keep in your car for one of those, nights where you get a flat tire in the mud. So, let's check this thing out and see if it's worth eating. So here's the meal. Comes in a little foil pack. Fancy silverware. This is your water. It's not for drinking. This is salt water. So this is going to be the activator. So you're going to soak this with the salt water. Put your food on it. You're going to throw it back in the box for 5 minutes. And then you're going to enjoy it. So let's see here. I can hear it. I can see bubbles, color change. Let's get this all over the place. Look at that thing work. All right, let's get it going then. I can already feel the warmth that's already getting there. So I've never had an MRE. I don't know if this is going to taste better than one of those, or worse, or hopefully better than a Mountain House meal. Not that those are horrible, but I'm going to try to find some MREs and try those as well, maybe for a comparison. They also give you a salt and pepper pack. It's very nice of them. Okay, we'll come back in 5 minutes. Well, it's been 6 minutes. Box is warm. Makes a nice sizzling sound, like we're actually doing something. Let's pull this guy out here. We have condensation. We have a warm meal. Yeah. Yeah, we have steam. And it's hot. Oh, it's definitely hot. Okay. Well, it does not say on the directions to eat in the styrofoam container. And with that chemical reaction, I don't trust it. So I'm going to bust out the fine china. Let's put this out of the way. Let's give it a sniff. It definitely smells like chili. It doesn't smell bad. It smells alright. I think I paid about $5 for this meal, if I'm not mistaken. It was right around there, $5-6. You know, another place you could, you know, if like you're working and you can't have a microwave there, say you're out in the field, it's not convenient to have fire. This right here might be a good option for you for lunch if you want a warm meal. Okay, we got the fine linen. All right. Let's give this bad boy a shot. All right, here we go. You know, it's not bad. A little bit of a grease factor there. Like it leaves a film in your mouth. But the flavor is not bad. Could use some hot sauce. Yeah, I mean, if you let's just do a scale here. You know, if it's life is good for 2 thumbs up, no. It'll make a turd, 1 thumb up, yeah. And then last resort, I'm going to put this with it'll make a turd. I mean, it's not bad. It's okay, especially in an emergency situation. Is it something I would eat weekly? No. But, you know, a warm meal like this, when you're really hungry, this may taste absolutely fantastic. So, I'll review the other ones in different videos, and we'll see how those fare. But yeah, if you're looking for something like this, it's not bad. It's, you know, for survival food, it's pretty decent. So, all right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.